good mythical morning.
I think somebody else already uses that on their blog.
Yeah, okay, well, welcome back, everybody. It is a new day. We have our first electricity bill.
Finally,
Since getting solar.
So as many of you will remember, we had our solar installed back at the end of July, but it took our Excel Energy company, our utility company, about 2 months before they installed our meters on the house. We came home, it was September 14th. I remember we had the door hanger. It said we could turn it on, so we turned it on. But then we found out, okay, we didn't have something turned on with Tesla yet, so we called them and they had to turn us on in the system officially. So our official date was the 21st of September, and they started recording our production as of the 22nd of September. And since the 22nd of September, it's been 47 days, we have produced 2.53 megawatts of power from our 51 solar panels, our 16.57 kilowatts. That's a pretty good output. And that's not even at the best time of the year, because we're already past, we're in the fall already. So it's not the perfect time of the year in the summer, but we are getting some pretty good output. So in the month of September, just in those last 8 days or so, we managed to produce 621 kilowatt hours. And in October, we produced 1,517 kilowatt hours, and November so far, we've already produced 394 kilowatt hours. Our highest day was actually that first official day back on September 22nd, when we had an output of 94 kilowatt hours in one day. Our lowest day was on October 14th, where we had snow on the night of the 13th, covered up our panels, and it was 27 degrees all day. We only produced 0.5 kilowatt hours that day. The panels did, the snow did start melting a little bit, and we got a little tiny bit, but we had a really...
But that's why we have power walls.
Yeah, exactly. So our power walls have been able to really help out with our usage over the past couple of months.
Definitely.
So we were wanting to give you guys an update once we got our first electric bill from the utility company, and it took forever to get it, but we finally got it last week.
We are here.
And so here we are. And then ironically, 3 days later, we got a letter from the utility company on the 30th of October, said, sorry, there's been a billing problem, that's why your bill's been delayed. But we'd already gotten the bill, so it seems like they should have sent that apology before they sent the bill. But we got it anyway. So,
got it.
Shame.
Shame. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame on you.
So the bill that we got dates back, it's for 2 months, 61 days. It dates from August 22nd through October 22nd. And for that bill, 61 days, our grand total for electricity was $75. And some of you might be like, wow, that's still expensive, $75, but...
That's over 2 months.
That's over a 2-month period. And wait until you hear how much it would have been if we didn't have solar.
We have a lot of electric cars. You guys know. It's what we do. So it's a lot of charging that we have to do too. Excel actually broke it down for us. 1 year ago, we used 41.2 kilowatt hours a day for a total of $9.98 per day. Over the 61 days, that was $608.78.
It would have been extrapolated out to $608.
So now we're using 61.2 kilowatt hours, so almost 1.5 times what we previously used per day.
And the reason why is last year, we only had 2 Teslas. Now we have 3. Well, we had 4. It's constantly changing. But basically, we only had 2 last year. Now we have 3. So that's why there's been a 50% increase in our daily usage.
So now Excel is stating that we pay $2.50 per day on average, which is $152.50. But extrapolating out what we used a year ago, it would have been $904 for 2 months.
Based upon that $9.98 a day.
It would have been way higher, but it gets way better. So we actually only paid $74.87 for this 61 days. And that breaks it down to $1.23 a day instead of last year of $9.98. So right there, it's a savings of 88% over last year. But you're probably wondering, where did the difference between that 152 and the 74 go? Well, the way we work with Excel is we actually get a credit for anything we put back onto the grid. So we were actually able to bank quite a lot.
And by credit, we're not getting credit in dollars and cents.
Right.
We chose to send back or get credits in kilowatt hours.
Right.
And then they give us, based upon, we do have a time of use plan, so they do have different rates, whether it's peak, shoulder period or off peak at night, and they do credit us back depending on when that power is sent to them. They give us so many credits, kilowatt hours during each of those periods.
So we actually did end up able to bank $77.63 worth of credits that we had pulled back out. So that really helps our bill right there.
And really, if you think of it, most of that was just from September when we officially turned it on to October. So it's only about a month. We got $77 in electricity generated.
Yep. But looking further at our bill of the $75 roughly that we paid for electricity, we actually participate in a program called WindSource. And that makes it so anything that we pull from the grid, we actually pay extra for so that it can be offset with wind energy. So we actually paid an additional $25.85 over what most people would pay because WindSource isn't as popular as I wish it was, so a lot of people don't participate in it. So when you calculate all that out and subtract the WindSource from what we paid, the true electricity cost would have only been $49.02 for 61 days, which averages out to 80 cents a day instead of $9.98, which is a 92% savings. Can I get a round of applause on that? Yeah, I'm so excited for that. So extrapolating this out a little bit further, based on the last 2 months of electricity usage, if we go over a yearly basis, that would be $5,424. If we use our true electricity cost of $49.02, that would only be $300 for a year.
For the whole year.
A year.
At our current usage rate. Yeah.
So right there is a savings of $5,124, but it's only going to get better. I mean, we didn't have the summer to be able to bank a ton. So over the summer, we'll be able to bank a bunch, so we'll be able to use that over the winter.
You know, our production will go down in the winter here.
Correct.
And when we have snow, we're going to have some bad days.
Yep.
But it's going to totally turn around there back in March, and things are just going to get way better from March through September. It's going to be some amazing production we're going to have on our solar system.
We are super excited to see these initial results. Couldn't be happier with solar. It was definitely...
And the power walls. Don't forget the power walls.
And the power walls, the high power wall chargers, everything we did. We are so happy with our system. Seeing these numbers makes me even happier because I love seeing cheap numbers. And the fact that we only paid $49 for electricity is pretty darn impressive considering what we have. We have a lot of cars, everything. Yeah, 2 months.
3 cars, $49. And all the house.
Yeah, it's insane. So like, it's only going to get better from here. Super excited to have you guys along for the ride, though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But definitely let us know down in the comment section below. What do you think next summer is going to do for us? If you have solar, let us know how it's doing for you. Always interested to hear other people's experiences.
How many 100 kilowatt hour days are we going to have? It's going to be
I can't wait to see that triple digit
if we were like in September, which is already in fall, we're getting 94 kilowatt hours.
Yep.
We're going to have days with like 100, maybe 110, 120.
Yeah.
It's going to be amazing.
Really can't wait for that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Our solar experience has been so awesome. Everyone we've worked with, thank you guys for watching this and kind of going along with us. Really been an awesome experience. And I can't wait to just see what else we can do with this.
And thanks again to everybody at Tesla. We had a great team and great people helping us the entire way.
Yeah.
It was just a great experience.
And if you guys are interested in going solar, feel free to use our referral code down below. It actually does work for solar and will get you an extra 5-year warranty, which we took advantage of. But also that referral code does work for Model S, X, and 3 to give you 6 months of free supercharging. Any help is certainly appreciated. If you guys do use it though, definitely shoot us an email through the website. The top right, we have a form you can fill out. That way you can get registered for our Roadster event when we take delivery. It's going to be a big old party. So really without your guys' support, none of this would be possible. So we really just want to invite you guys out, have a good old time when we take delivery. But that's basically it. Can't wait to give you guys another update here in the future. But this is where we sit right now. Super excited. But as always though, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely smash that thumbs up button. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh, I hit my...
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head.